You, it could be better. Local track, choice Flushing. It could be better as well. Let's go towards the Manhattan bound. Here at Junction Boulevard. Let's wait for the 7 train to
This is the
depart.
Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is 90th Street.
We're looking at the express track. Ew, it could be better. MTA, do something please about this. Camera team, hello, we're waiting for you. We're still waiting for you guys. To wrap this up, Manhattan bound track. Obviously, it could be way better than this. But anyways, this will conclude our stay on the track at Junction Boulevard.